A state of stress that occurs at a point on the free surface of a solid body is sigma x is equal to 50 MPa, sigma y is equal to 10 MPa, and tau xy is equal to minus 15 MPa. In part A, our goal is to evaluate the two principal normal stresses and the one principal shear stress. Also, we want to give the coordinate system rotations. And in part B, we will determine the maximum normal stress and the maximum shear stress at this point. To solve this question, we will use Mohr's circle. So, we know that sigma z is 0, and it will be equal to sigma 3. So, this point will be sigma 3. This point will be sigma 2, and this point will be sigma 1. Let's call the center of this circle is A. To find sigma 1 and sigma 2, we will need to calculate the radius of this circle. We know that the radius will be equal to sigma x minus sigma y over 2 square plus tau xy square. And in our case, r is equal to 50 minus 10 over 2 square plus minus 15 square. And we got r is equal to 25. So let's say this is r and it is 25. Also, let's show our stresses on the circle. This point will be sigma x 2 minus tau xy. So this will be 50, 15. And this point will be 10, minus 15. We know that this point is tau 3. And it will be equal to r. So we can say that tau 3 is 25 MPa. Now let's calculate sigma 1 and sigma 2. We know that the center of the circle A is equal to sigma x plus sigma y over 2. And it is 50 plus 10 over 2, which is 30. And sigma 1 will be equal to 30 plus the radius, 25, and it is 55 MPa. And sigma 2 will be 30 minus 25, and it is 5 MPa. So, we found the two principal normal stresses and we found the one principal shear stress. Now, let's find the coordinate system rotations. We know that tan 2 theta n is equal to 2 tau xy over sigma x minus sigma y. And it is minus 30 over 40. Here we got 2 theta n is equal to minus 36.87 degrees, and this will give theta n is equal to minus 18.43. Now we can move on to part B. Tau max is this point, and it will be equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 3 over 2. We know that sigma 1 is 55 MPa, sigma 3 is 0, and tau max will be 27.5 MPa. What about sigma max? Sigma max is the largest value in the figure, and it is sigma 1. And it is also equal to 55 MPa.